Hi, I'm Nicole.
I'm Hannah.
Cristel.
Aidan.
Angelica.
At mag-sokmed dito ka muna.
Parang hindi ko kaya. Ayoko yung galit.
Kik!
Hey guys, so it's 9:17 a.m. and my best friend just sent me a YouTube link that I can't watch because of social media detox. I just don't like missing out and I just have this urge to click on it but I can't. So I guess I'll just do PE na lang since that's the only thing I can do right now. Bye.
So hey guys, good morning. It's the first day of our social media detox challenge. By the way, it's 9:52. Oh my gosh, I woke up so late. And yeah, as you can see, my apps are still not there since I deleted all of it last night. And yeah, I can't wait to succeed in this challenge. I'm gonna succeed. Hopefully. I'm gonna struggle. Okay, bye.
So hi guys, good morning. It's 10:01 in the morning and I feel the sun right now. But it's really weird that I didn't get any notifications from my social media account. Because the first thing that I do when I wake up is I will scroll my Facebook, my Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. But right now, I think I'm gonna open my canvas for updates.
Good morning, guys. So, it's my first time trying social media detox. It's my first day, actually. So, now I will be eating breakfast.
Hi guys. Good morning. Time check, it's 1 p.m. And I just woke up. It's already 1 p.m. So I guess this is my definition of morning vlog, right? But yeah, I'm gonna go out and eat. So I'll see you guys again soon.
What's up? It's 1:01 p.m. right now and I woke up because namimiss na daw ako ni Cristel. Hello. I'm gonna eat my lunch and then start with all my academic requirements and I didn't use social media at all. Kaya tuloy-tuloy yung tulog ko. And that's it. Bye. Okay, so hey guys, guess what? I'm still doing my ACADS, but to be honest, I was able to do it like with no stops, no distractions at all. Kanina lang si Cristel, she just prank called me, but I was able to recognize her voice.
So ayun guys, kung paprank tayo, ipaprank natin si Aidan using another phone. Binaba ni Aidan! Guys, ito try natin. Binaba niya talaga! Ay! Ayaw niyang magpa-prank, guys. Napakasama, guys. Kik. Guys, tinawagan natin pero binaba niya. Tapos ngayon, nag-chat siya sa GC namin. Sabi niya, sino to? Kayo ba to? Secret! Guys, may isa ulit tayong tatawagan. Si Nicole naman. Tingnan natin kung sasagot. Hello?
Hello, Cristel, is this you?
Uy, nasa vlog ko yun. Ikat mo yan. Okay, guys. Sumagot si Nicole. Ang ko na.
Akala niyo, no?
Pangit mo. Nakakainis.
So hey guys, so far I haven't been using any social media yet and I'm more focused on helping out in the house. I'm gonna be helping Ate Rose. Say hi, Ate Rose.
Hello.
Say hello. Hello. Blackpink, Ate Rose. Yeah, I'm gonna be helping her cook our lunch.
So update guys, so now I'm just waiting for our meeting in Perpcom. And so chika muna last night. I just watched Netflix, then after that I got bored na. So I downloaded a lot of games, as in I'm not using social media for almost 12 hours. And I think helps me not only for my mental health but also because I can do more of my errands. I wash dishes, I clean this condo, and I've done a lot of schoolwork.
Time check is around 4 p.m. now. And since I woke up at 1, I just woke up recently, a few hours ago. So that explains why I haven't showered yet. I'm actually like doing my requirements right now in my other subjects because I don't have anything to do. We don't have any classes, so I think it's a good time to do my requirements. So I won't have anything to worry about. So yeah, and it's and it's kind of my way to like cope up with this whole detox challenge thing.
Hey guys, earlier our class ended. I took a shower and I wanted to take a 30-minute nap. But when I woke up, it's already 6:22. I have an assignment due today.
And I'm really bad at this subject. And yeah, it's time to see what I can do. Test my limits and break through.
Or other currently active institute projects.
To this podcast, y'all.
If my luck thus far is anything to go by, then I'd say it is unlikely this was an isolated example. The more I discover about this archive, this might be a bigger job than I originally thought.
Hi guys, I'm hanging out with Diana from what section?
APS 1.
Okay,
Hi.
so wala kami ginagawa. We're just improving connections with other people. That's what social media detox is all about. I'm just hanging out with my cat. Oh my god!
Hi guys, it's me. So time check, it's day 2 and it's already 10:40 p.m. I'm here to update you guys about how unproductive my day has been again because I mentioned yesterday that I'm gonna be spending the whole day yesterday doing my requirements. And guess what? I've been doing my requirements today as well. So there's really no escaping schoolworks. Yeah, so I'm actually about to finish my requirement, which is due in like 2 hours. 1.5 hour, I think. So yeah, it's all I've been doing tonight. And I pretty much slept the whole day, which is why I didn't really get to film anything because I was too tired. I pulled an all-nighter last night doing this and now I'm about to finish it finally. Because look, do you all want to know how stressed I am? Look, I don't know if you guys can see the word count, but wait, where is it? Can y'all even see it? There you go. The word count so far for this assignment is around 2,500 words, so it's really long and it's really exhausting to do.
Hi, good morning.
Thanks, Ma.
I'm busy tending my garden when Nicole approached me to make her vlog here at my garden. So I said, okay, I can set the table for you.
in case you guys wanted to know what's been keeping me busy over the course of our detox, and unfortunately what's been like keeping me up all night, I do not recommend this. I do not recommend this at all. It's too addicting. Yeah, I'm super addicted to this game. You don't even know, I swear.
So, good evening guys. So, update. I'm sorry. Wala akong masyadong na-video ng mga clips because I was not feeling well starting kagabi. And nilalagnat ako. But now, medyo bumaba na naman siya. But the good thing is I didn't use any social media pa din. And yeah, I think it helped me more, lalo na sa health ko ngayon.
I recommend you to also dance, you know? Kasi kung tinatamad kayong mag-exercise, mag-workout, meron namang ibang way para magpapawis, which is yun nga, sumayaw-sayaw kayo, gumalaw-galaw kayo, ikembag nyo yan, i-shake-shake nyo yung kamay, yung paa, yung hips, yung legs, lahat, kasi nakakatulong talaga yan. Isa ito sa mga pwede nyong gawin kapag naka-social media detox kayo. Ipahinga nyo muna yung cellphone nyo, mag-focus kayo sa sarili nyo, sumayaw kayo, alagaan yung sarili nyo. And trust me, after nyan, may magandang result. Hindi lang kayo nagpapawis, hindi lang kayo nag-enjoy, pero nakatulong siya sa body nyo, physically fit. Yan. Hi guys! So it's currently 5:42 in the afternoon. Sobrang hingal ako sa PE. So, today nasa rooftop ako, kaya sorry sa background. And naabangan natin yung sunset. Kung hindi nyo tatanungin guys, isi-share ko pa din. Sobrang love ko tumingin ng sunset and sunrise. Kahit kanina, naguluhan pa ako kung sunset, sunrise, sa hapon, sa umaga. Kasi parang once na nakita mo yung sunset, masasabi mo na, I survived this day. Na kahit wala akong ginawa, umabot ako ng hapon, magagabi, panibagong araw. Kaya ang sarap-sarap sa feeling kapag nakakakita ka ng sunset and sunrise. So, I suggest na lumabas din kayo, tingnan nyo lang kahit.
What's up guys, I'm back. So, I cooked and ate lunch. Now I'm in my room. I wanted to continue the anime that I was watching, but I couldn't find my headset anywhere. Then, my ate chatted me. Insert screenshot. So yeah, I forgot these in the fridge, in the refrigerator. I don't know how it got there in the first place. I think it was when I got milk. So yeah, is this the effects of social media detox or am I just careless? I think it's the latter, guys. So now that I have nothing else to do, I'm gonna do my schoolworks for the first time in forever. Yeah, I'm gonna do my schoolwork since I really have nothing else to do and I'm bored watching and not doing anything at all. I'm gonna try to be productive today, so I'll update you guys later. Jane? Hey guys, so it's actually 1 a.m. and our social media detox challenge for 3 days is done. And I saw my group mates. They were very excited about it, installing their apps now. And yeah, we all did it and I'm really proud of us. We'll be giving our insights and reflection about this experience, so look forward to it. Guys, thank you for watching my crazy life.
Honestly, like, I did not expect that I would be able to pull this challenge off at all, because if you guys remember, I mentioned in our pre-detox talk that I had these doubts. I was really doubtful if I'll be able to survive the challenge, but thankfully I did, and I feel like the main thing that helped me get through it was because you guys were there, my group mates. We were able to bond more, and we were able to establish this like relationship or connection with each other. Like, we got closer more, we got to communicate more because we had no social media, and it's really a good experience for me. It was very memorable, and I feel like it's mostly attributed to that I was able to succeed the challenge without any trouble.
I have a great experience with this challenge because I saw myself without social media, and it was difficult because I always use social media all the time and it became a routine for me. But social media detox helps me to communicate more orally with people, with my friends, with my family, and it makes me more productive each day to the point that I forgot to use my cell phone at all. And I really love how our group has built a strong relationship to each other even after the challenge. And now I learn how to manage my time with ACADS, family, friends, and social media. And to be honest, I appreciate more my life without social media.
At first, aakalain mo social media detox is hard. Pero hindi. Minsan, ang hirap i-let go ng mga bagay na nakasanayan natin, pero once na tinry natin i-let go yung mga bagay na yun, it really mean a lot. One thing I've learned is that social media could give you everything. Entertainment, comfort, friends, or even happiness. Pero once na nakuha na natin yung mga bagay na yun, nakakalimutan natin yung isang mundo. The real world. Yung mundo na nagagawa natin yung mga bagay na gusto natin without the social media standards. Na we can be ourselves, our real self, not thinking about the opinions of other people towards us. Outside world could give us a life. We can enjoy life outside social media. But if you say that social media could give you a life, then let me tell you this. You are missing beautiful moments in your life just by focusing on the social media itself.
The social media detox challenge was a really fun and unforgettable experience. I can definitely say that during those 3 days without social media, I was able to focus more on helping out in the house without any distractions in between. And not only that, during the challenge, I got closer to my group members and we were able to strengthen our bond and friendship more. Even now that the challenge is over, our closeness stayed and everyone is still keeping in touch, which is really great. I also had time to distance myself from toxic people on social media and had some pleasant leisure. I can't say that there are lasting benefits of the detox that we experienced since we only did it for a short period of time. But it made me realize that social media, for me, is not a necessity. It's only for entertainment and for checking updates on the people that I know. Overall, if given a chance, I would definitely try it again. Challenging myself was fun, and I'm really proud that every one of us survived that challenge.
To be honest, I really thought that I would be so happy to finally download all my apps again after the detox, but I wasn't. Having them back felt okay, but not worth celebrating. The past 3 days was the most fun I had with my group mates. We were basically contacting each other 24/7, and after the detox, I realized that time is just as fleeting as those Facebook posts we like and comment in. Maybe in the future, where the possibility of blending our real world to our virtual one solidifies. But for now, maybe let's take what we have in our hands and embrace it. And all we have to do is to look up.